I want to do that tick again. I've been waiting almost 4 months for this. So today, I just got a package from Apple. I'm usually way more aggressive with opening these boxes, but there's some very precious cargo in here. And it's the space gray aluminum case, 44 millimeters. I used to be all Android, so at the time I had a TicWatch something V2. If I'm not lazy, I might put the name on the screen. An Apple Watch doesn't have a lot of things that it can do that your iPhone can't, for example. Like, it's an extension of your phone to an extent. But some of the features that it can is like, you can go swimming with this thing. It has a swim mode, it has a water eject mode, it has all that stuff. And it also can track your heart rate while you're in the middle of a workout. Let's get into this guy. First of all, nice box. Of course, Apple's gonna go over the top with it. That's the stem. So I have the watch itself and I have the strap. I've been waiting almost 4 months for this. Designed by Apple in California. All the usual Apple stuff. I got the charger. And then I got the actual watch itself in this little fabric sleeve. I was gonna get the 40 millimeter because I thought this was gonna be too big for me, but this is the perfect size. Okay, so now we got that out of the way. Let's get, Apple products don't need instruction. This is the band now. Even though this is an open, refurbished unit, this is still so premium. Okay, so you have two sizes here. You have your medium and your small. I'm gonna take out the small band because I have a small hand. And you have your buckle here as well. So it's just gonna slide in. We're locked in now. Look at this. Dang. How clean this is. Series 5. By the way, my phone asks me, do you wanna pair your Apple Watch? I'm gonna hit continue. Just gonna open it up in the watch app. And now I'm gonna scan this weird looking code. And of course, there's a software update. How long is the software update gonna take? So now we're activating my Apple Watch. It's gonna be checking for updates. Sadly, there's no way that you can pair it to an iPad. It's only for an iPhone. If you have an iPad and you want an Apple Watch, you're kinda out of luck. It has a light sensor, which is basically the same sensor that's in your phone that can tell the brightness of the ambience around you, so it can do automatic brightness. It also has a GPS, a built-in compass, and as well as an optical heart rate sensor, which is that little dome on the back. So Apple claims up to 18 hours of battery life, but it also depends on how much you use your watch, right? If you have the always on this screen on, expect that number to drop a lot. But if you're just a regular user, maybe just check it once and twice, you probably need to charge it like every other day. If your phone and Apple Watch is within Bluetooth distance, which is about 30 to 50 feet, I put meters for my Canadian viewers. If your Apple Watch is connected to Wi-Fi and your phone's connected to Wi-Fi, they don't need to be within Bluetooth range. So if you have a mansion for a reason and your phone's upstairs in your master bedroom and you're downstairs in the gym, as long as they're connected to Wi-Fi, both of them, your Apple Watch will still act as if it's connected to Bluetooth, which I think is pretty lit. If you're ever worried about, oh, I want to track my workout, but I don't want this big chunk of thing flopping around in my pocket when I'm running, possibly even falling out your pocket, this will be the perfect option for you. It's waterproof, it charges wirelessly, it has an awesome battery life. You could use it to track your sleep, you could use it to track your workouts, you could just use it every single day just to reply to notifications and check the time, which is the main thing what a watch is for. The apps you have on your phone is already compatible with your Apple Watch. I'm talking about examples like Spotify, Apple Music, Siri. The Apple Watch just finished updating. Now I'm gonna get to the good part and set it up. So I'm gonna use my watch on my left wrist, which is what it's asking me right now. Terms and conditions. Okay, so now I'm gonna enable workout tracking. And now I'm gonna create a passcode on my watch. The watch actually knows when it's on your wrist or not. So only the first time you put it on your wrist is when you're gonna have to type in the passcode. If it's been on your wrist all day, you're not gonna type in the passcode. But if the Apple Watch detects some type of tampering or that it's been removed from your wrist, it's gonna ask for your passcode again. I already have all my stuff set up in the Health app, so it automatically pulled everything from the Health app. That's the beautiful of Apple. So now this is gonna be my favorite part. I'm gonna set up Apple Pay on my Apple Watch. So I'm gonna choose the cards I wanna add to my Apple Watch. So now it's asking me to set up the emergency SOS on the Apple Watch. This is basically so if anything happened, I could hold down the side button on my watch for a few seconds and it will send a message to emergency services and also send a message to anyone who I have set up as an emergency contact. Features about the Apple Watch is the fact that you could change your face. If you ever get bored about how the Apple Watch is looking, you could always change it. So right now, it's asking me if I want to install all the available apps that's on my phone to my Apple Watch. That answers your question, no? So now it's syncing, and this is gonna take another few minutes. Almost done syncing. I think we're putting in the final steps. So now this is gonna take all the apps that can be used on my Apple Watch and put it on my Apple Watch. Okay, so welcome to Apple Watch. Apple Watch apps. You can see all the Apple Watch apps that are available on the Apple Watch store. And now I can choose my Apple Watch face. Hey guys, so I almost finished editing the video and I realized that I didn't even record an outro. So I wanna say thank you for watching if you have made it this far. If you guys like the video, that like button works. If you guys dislike the video, that dislike button works just as well. But once again, if you guys just subscribe, it means a lot for me. Something that's free for you guys to do, but it makes a huge difference in my life. Thanks for watching. Adios.